Have you ever come across an application that refuses to apply a dark theme to it even after you have enabled dark mode for your entire device? While many app developers are happy to respect the system-wide dark theme toggle that modern Android devices have these days, some have dug their heels into the mud and refuse to update their apps. Thankfully, there is a free and open source application available called DarQ, that's DarQ, that with the help of root access or Shizuku will let you force any application to be rendered with a dark theme instead. This is done on a per app basis, but it does require that you also have dark mode enabled on your device already for it to work. So this is a great option for those who are finding some stubborn applications that continue to use a light theme even though all of your other apps have adapted and switched to something dynamic that changes depending on if you have dark mode enabled or not. So to give you a little example, I have already enabled dark theme on my Google Pixel 6, and you can see that with the Magisk application. It has adapted to a dark theme. However, I also have other applications like the battery charge limit and an application called Mini Review that both continue to use a light theme even though I have dark mode enabled. So to fix this, we have installed this DarQ application, and we're able to find this on GitHub, which will be linked in the video description below. And when we open up this application for the first time, if you have root already, then you will get a prompt asking you to enable root access for this application. But again, if you have Shizuku installed, you can use it just the same. Once installed, we need to enable the service. And then we can go ahead and tap on the Force Dark Apps option. So just like I showed you before, the two applications that are stuck in a light theme are battery charge limit and this app called Mini Review. So after I have enabled this feature for those two apps, you can go ahead and close that. We need to force close these applications from memory. And then this time when we open up the application, you can see that it has changed to a dark theme. Now the same can be said with this Mini Review application. After we have force closed it from our RAM, from our memory, we can open up the application back up, and now it's going to be rendered in a dark theme. DarQ also provides an option to apply the system dark theme as well as the selectable force dark options that we set up here only after sunset and before sunrise. And we can do that by enabling this toggle right here. And you can choose to either go by location or time zone. The app also has some advanced options, such as always use forced dark. So it will ignore the list of apps and instead have it always enabled for all apps instead of on a per app basis. We can also enable an option labeled Listen for App Closes, which will disable Force Dark when an application in the Force Dark list is closed. This leads to more instances where Force Dark may not be applied quickly enough to an application when you are switching between apps. So if that's something that you notice, you can come in and change that option right there. And there's also a backup and restore setting to get all of your options set up. This application works on Android 10 and up, and as mentioned, it will either use root access, or if you have Shizuku set up, then you can use that instead.